Fidget trading. I'm gonna try to trade this necklace. All right, let's trade it. Trading a necklace, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me. Can I offer? Yeah, sure. What do you offer? Some good. Okay, let me see what I got. I'm gonna trade this, and this. Is this? Yeah, sure. I accept. Thank you. That girl really overpaid. Now it's time to trade this. I think this is good to trade. Trading this, going once, going twice, going 3 times. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a part 2 for this and come back for part 2.